low tide and high tides. Next bit from the topic gravitation. See here picture low tide and high tide. What is the reason behind low tide and high tide? The gravitational force exerted by the moon on the surface of water. This is the main reason for the high tide and low tide. So that the portion of water which is present in front of the moon exerts gravitational force on the water and it pulls the water towards itself. So that this process is known as high tide. And exactly at the 90 degree the low tide occurs. म्हणजे मूनने एक्झर्ट केलेल्या ग्रॅव्हिटेशनल फोर्समुळे पाण्याची पातळी ही चंद्राच्या दिशेने वाढलेली दिसते. त्या प्रोसेसला आपण हाय टाईड म्हणजेच भरती म्हणतो. आणि एक्झॅक्टली 90 डिग्रीला लो टाईड म्हणजे ओहोटी आलेली असते. दॅट मीन्स रिझन बिहाइंड लो टाईड अँड हाय टाईड इज नथिंग बट ग्रॅव्हिटेशनल फोर्स एक्झर्टेड बाय मून. नेक्स्ट बीट अर्थ्स ग्रॅव्हिटेशनल फोर्स. See here, a boy is thrown one stone in the vertically upward direction. The stone is moving in the vertically upward direction. The velocity of the stone, when we observe that the velocity of the stone start to decrease when it reaches the vertically, that means it is moving in vertically upward direction. Then at certain height the stone stops and start to again fall down vertically straight in the downward direction. Then what is responsible that the stone is moving downward in vertically downward direction? The reason behind it, Earth's gravitational force. See the second paragraph from Earth's gravitational force. The Earth attracts every object near it towards itself because of the gravitational force. The center of mass of the earth is situated at its center. So the gravitational force on any object due to the earth is always directed towards the center of the earth. Because of this force an object falls vertically downwards on the earth. म्हणजेच काय की अर्थ ही प्रत्येक वस्तूला स्वतःकडे खेचण्याचा प्रयत्न करत असते आणि अर्थने लावलेला जो फोर्स आहे तो फोर्स ॲक्च्युली त्या अर्थच्या सेंटर ऑफ मास पासून प्रयुक्त झालेला असतो. आता व्हॉट इज सेंटर ऑफ मास? वी हॅव स्टडीड अबाउट द सेंटर ऑफ मास. व्हॉट इज सेंटर ऑफ मास? द सेंटर ऑफ मास it is a point on the any surface on an object where the total mass of an object it is to be considered as concentrated. As our earth is completely spherical, sphere shaped structure, so that the center of mass of our earth it is concentrated in its center, so that earth's gravitational force is directed towards its center of mass. So that when we throw a stone in the upward direction, then the stone moving in a vertically upward direction, after some time it start to fall along a straight line vertically downward direction. See here the earth's gravitational force. Every object in the universe attracts every other objects with a force. This diagram shows F be the force which is exerted by our earth and force which is exerted by an object on the earth. That means earth and other object, both these are applies force on each other. That means they attracts with applying certain force on each other, and this force is directly proportional to the product of their masses, and it is inversely proportional the square of distance in between them. Here the force it is a vector quantity because it is having magnitude as well as on which direction the force is acting. Now next, third paragraph. Similarly, when we throw a stone vertically upward, this force tries to pull it down and reduces its velocity. Due to this, the constant downward pull, the velocity becomes zero. After a while, the pull continues to be exerted and the stone start moving vertically downward towards the center of the earth under its influence. So student, here we complete our bit Earth's gravitational force. According to the Earth's gravitational force, the Earth exerts force on each and every object which is present near to it. And this gravitational force which is exerted by the Earth, this gravitational force is towards the center of mass of the Earth. And the center of mass of the Earth, it lies at its center point. So this is all about Earth's gravitational force. Share this video with your maximum friends and subscribe the channel. Thank you.